Hi everyone, I'm Olivia from the ArcGIS Pro team, and I'm here with my coworker Andy.
And today we're going to give you a walkthrough of the Share Web Map tutorial.
Right now we're looking at a map of hiking trails near mangroves on the North Island of New Zealand. We want to share this map with interested hikers using ArcGIS Online.
But before we share the map, we'll need to add a few details like a name, summary, tags, and set the configuration. This exploratory configuration ensures that the feature layers in our map, the trails in this case, are created as web feature layers in ArcGIS Online. This means that we can work with our trail and mangrove layers in the web map. We'll store the web map in a folder in my ArcGIS Online account, but we'll share it with my entire organization.
Cool, so now what?
As a best practice, I'm going to click Analyze. This shows us any warnings or errors that would prevent sharing. This warning will not prevent sharing or impact our data, so we're good to go.
Looks like the web map was shared successfully, so let's look at the map's item page.
And let's add a description so everyone in the organization will know what this map is about.
Alright, so now let's open the web map. The legend contains our sublayers as well as the bookmarks, just like our Pro map.
And I just noticed I forgot to bookmark the Firth of Thames. There's a great mangrove trail near there.
Well, you can just add the bookmark to the web map.
Yeah, but remember the web map is actually a separate map from our Pro map. To see the new bookmark in Pro, we have to add the web map to the project.
So let's go back to Pro and see how to do that.
All we have to do is add the web map from our portal. We can see the bookmark we added to the web map is reflected here.
So now that we have a copy of the web map in ArcGIS Pro, let's see what happens if we update the web map further in ArcGIS Online.
Yeah, and this time let's modify the symbology. We can change the color of this trail near our bookmark and save the web map. Now let's go back to Pro and take a look.
Okay, we're looking at the web map in Pro again, but the trail is still green. Shouldn't it be pink?
Well, not just yet. Pro allows us to bring in web map updates, but they don't occur automatically. You can see we have a notification telling us that a newer version of the web map is available.
It's helpful that you don't have to accept the notifications if you don't want to. Like if a collaborator made some changes to the web map, but I wanted to keep my map the same in Pro, I would just ignore that notification.
Exactly, but in this case we'll accept it because we do want to see that symbology change. And there it is.
Looks great. Being able to share and make changes to maps in Pro and ArcGIS Online can really help streamline the sharing and fine-tuning process. If you want to give this tutorial a try, head over to the ArcGIS Pro help to download the project and follow along with more detailed written steps.